Hey, Emily here from WTI. When I learned that a Swedish dishcloth could replace over 20 paper towel rolls, I was blown away and I had to try them. These ones from Miss Adola are so beautiful to look at as well. One reason that I frequently reach for my paper towels in my kitchen is because even though we have a lot of dishcloths, there is nothing worse to me than the smell of a stinky, musty, moldy, wet dishcloth. It's disgusting. And the idea of trying to clean something with something that smells so nasty was revolting. But I always hated using paper towels because it felt so wasteful. Insert the perfect solution. Swedish dishcloths have been popular in Europe for many years, but they're just now catching on in the States, and with good reason. When you hang them, they dry super fast. That's what keeps them from getting that moldy and musty smell. Plus, not only can you just wring it dry and hang it and it'll be fine, if it goes through a really tough cleaning job, you can run it through the dishwasher or the washing machine. I love that these come with a little hole in them so that they're easy to hang from hooks I put behind my sink. Just seeing them there also reminds me to reach for them and use them instead of paper towels. When they're dry, they're soft, but they are firm. But when you put them in just a little bit of water, they become soft and pliable instantly. I also found them to be very absorbent. So they could wipe up quite a significant amount of spilled water in just one pass. So far, I have been thrilled with having Swedish dishcloths in my kitchen, and I especially love these ones from Miss Adola. If you're looking to be a little less wasteful in your kitchen, I think you're going to be thrilled with these. But that's just my point of view.